Right. Good day. Good day. Thank you for joining the Detailing Nights Knighthood Academy info session. This is for our youth entrepreneurship program that we are recruiting for our August cohort. And if you don't know much about Detailing Nights, let me play a quick video to give you a little bit of an overview. Hey there, welcome to Detailing Nights, your go-to team for mobile, waterless hand car washes and detailing services. We're here all about making your life easier by bringing our car cleaning services right to your home or your office. Our gentle hand-applied light ceramic car wash will leave your vehicle looking absolutely amazing. And when it comes to the interior, we've got your back with everything from our basic clean to our deluxe treatments with steam cleaning and shampooing. We can't wait to help you out. If you got a mess, call the best. Call in the Detailing Nights. All right. So let me get into the presentation. So yes, my name is Ryan Knight, the founder of Detailing Nights, a mobile waterless car cleaning service. We are a social enterprise that provides youth entrepreneurship training using our mobile waterless car cleaning service as a guide that teaches entrepreneurship. So who are we? We do consider ourselves eco-friendly. We reduce water waste by 99% with our waterless car cleaning methods. We are super convenient. We go to our clients' homes or their offices. They clean their cars right on the spot. And we pride ourselves on helping youth in the community. So really designing a way for young entrepreneurs to start their own business. And we want to be that launching pad of change. A little bit about myself. I started Detailing Nights back in 2009. It was actually, I was laid off from my job 2 weeks before my wedding and realized that I need to lean into this entrepreneurship thing my dad had kept telling me. So he kept saying, if you want to be rich, you got to start a business. If you want to control your own destiny, become an entrepreneur. And so I took that chance to go back to school and finish my diploma at Sheridan College and still got married. I do have two children with my wife and recently was inducted into the Sheridan College Hall of Fame in their Pilon School of Business. So I feel entrepreneurship has really given me a great way to support my college and alumni there and the community by running our youth entrepreneurship program. Also, I'm proud to be the co-founder of ACBN, the Afro-Caribbean Business Network. One of the founding board members of the Peel Learning Foundation and also a current board member of the Mississauga Board of Trade. The pillars that we do stand on at Detailing Nights is one, being environmentally conscious. We do believe that you can run a business and have a low impact on the environment. Being community focused, even though we do strive to make a profit so that we can continue to run the business, we want to have a positive impact on the community. And that stems from the youth work that we do and also the different car wash fundraisers we've done for different organizations and sports teams. And we do consider ourselves social entrepreneurs. So showing and being the blueprint that running a business can, yes, make money, but also have a positive effect on the community and low impact on the environment. So the youth entrepreneurship program that we run in the summer is a way for students, whether they're in high school or college or even out of school, to start their own business. Even if you don't have experience or not sure that you could be an entrepreneur, we train from scratch to show you that you have the potential to start a business. So wherever you live, you would run a business in that area. And when you go through our training, so the training is 5 days, 2 hours a day, then throughout the rest of August, you're able to now run the business with our guidance and showing you one, how to talk to people and get clients, and then also how to do the actual car cleaning service. So all the money that you make, you're able to keep it. And at the end, we do consider you a certified knight. So by becoming a certified knight, you're able to then work with the Detailing Knights or potentially work full time with us in the next summer. And you get fast tracked into the youth entrepreneurship program for the next season. So this is a great way to show the team at Detailing Knights that you have what it takes to one, run your own business, and two, be able to go through our training so you know about our company, and then we'd be proud to work with you in the future. And some other organizations that we have worked with range from Big Brothers Big Sisters to News Talk 1010, where we've done car wash fundraisers in partnership with them. We've partnered with different car dealerships like auto dealerships, used cars, and new car. Radio stations like G98.7, that's now Flow 98.7, and of course Sheridan College and Mars Discovery District, where we've gone through different programming with them. And in 2025, we are looking to have 10 locations. So depending on what city you live in, you'd be able to do the youth entrepreneurship program in that city. And we do have 10 regions around the GTA that team members from our company would be able to support you. So if you're outside of these cities, we may not be able to support the youth program. So do let us know when you sign up what city you're in, because we want to make sure that our local franchise partners are supporting you during this journey. So to give you an overview of how the summer program works for the Knighthood Academy, we do 5 training days. So modules 1 through 5 would be from August 4th to the 8th. So each evening, Monday to Friday, we would be together from 6:30 to 8:30 to go through the training. And we're going to touch on what the modules cover in a sec. After that first week of training, the next 3 weeks of August, or 3 to 4 weeks of August, you'd be in the field and operating the business. So we do have check-ins once a week, and then you're always able to call and touch base with your area manager if you did have questions. But that's typically where you're earning money, you're out there handing out flyers, talking to people. You'll be part of some of our events that we do. We do have 4 car wash fundraiser events booked in August. So we'd be expecting our team members to be there to support. Those days you do get paid an hourly rate when you're at our events. But for the other days, based on the car cleaning that you're doing, you would earn that money and be able to keep it. So an overview of module 1, really getting the entrepreneur mindset and explaining the summer opportunity with working with us and what it means to be your own business owner, why it's important to start a summer business, and why we're here to guide you so you don't feel alone. Touching on the different mindsets that are needed, where you have to be comfortable with sales, and this is something that comes with practice and with time. So don't feel nervous if you don't feel confident right now. This is something that comes with practice. And then going deeper into the earning potential, what we've seen other students earn within a month, and also what your goals would be for August in the amount that you'd want to earn. So module 2, we do touch on more administrative and responsibilities of the entrepreneur. So what it does look like to register a business, how to do your bookkeeping and customer service, and also how to process payments so that when you're operating, you know how to do transactions so that people can pay you. So module 3, we do a deeper dive into the marketing strategy of what you'd be doing over the summer, touching on, again, your revenue goals, what marketing does look like, whether it's online, having your website and landing page, Facebook page, or different social media accounts, and also offline, in person, having flyers printed, delivering them and talking to people, going to networking events, or being part of our car wash fundraiser events as well. And then module 4 is really an overview on how we do our detailing. So this is online. After the training, we do a full in-person detailing training as well. But the module 4 that we're going to touch on walks through the detailing process, how we do the exterior of the car without water, what we do to clean the inside, and the special packages that our students do versus what our full-time detailing, I would say our core detailing team does. There is a difference. We're not expecting you to be able to be professional detailers right out the gate. So we do have specific, it's actually called our night, what do we call it? Our night package. So that package is for our youth entrepreneurs. And then again, how to explain our process to our clients so that you know what it is that we're capable of and how to sell it to a client. Module 5, this is where we are planning to be in person this day so that you would learn about all the equipment and items that you do need to start. You would get your entrepreneur package, and then we would create an activity plan for the next 3 weeks. and schedule our weekly accountability sessions. So this day, we are looking to have our session in Brampton on the west side and a session in Ajax. So it might be 2 different days, or it might be the afternoon on Friday in Brampton, and then in the evening in Ajax. So stay tuned. As you're going through the training, we'll talk about it and see where people are stationed. So we'll determine where we can do our in-person so that everybody can get there. So to give you an idea of the types of supplies and equipment that you would be getting while going through this program, as I mentioned, the entrepreneur package that you're going to be getting does include all the supplies that you need to be able to clean the car. So the waterless car wash, multi-purpose cleaner, carpet and upholstery cleaner, a leather and vinyl conditioner, our tire shine, spray bottles, and microfiber towels. And typically that would cost about $382 to purchase. It also includes the equipment that you would need. So the vacuum, extension cords and extension cord reels, step ladders and brushes, and also the pet hair stone that helps you get pet hair out, which would cost about $205. And then the marketing materials that you would need to get the word out about what you're doing in the summer and running this micro franchise. So you would get the promotional flyers, your own custom business cards, a lawn sign, your t-shirt and hat, and that typically would cost about $180. And altogether, when a person comes to us and wants to work with us and use our brand and license it, usually they're paying over $16,000 to work with Detailing Nights and run a territory. With our summer youth program, it actually only costs $500 and you get the entire package, and we work with you throughout the summer. And now we're actually proud to announce we had some sponsors. So the Afro-Caribbean Business Network and Alterna Savings has sponsored the youth program, the Knighthood Academy, this year. So we do have 10 spots available. So I think 6 of them are already filled. So we have about 4 spots left where that $500 will be covered for you, and also the training costs. Because usually going through the training, you'd have to pay $50 for us to train you on how to start a business. With the sponsorship, you're actually going to get paid the $50. So if you go through the Monday to Friday training next week, you get paid $50, and then we work with you throughout the summer. So those scholarships are available. What I'm going to do is put into the chat the link to register for the training next week, which does start Monday, August the 4th at, this should say 6:30. So let me fix this. We are training from 6:30. And then when I put that link into the chat, you can let me know, you can register right away, but I will pause right here so that you're able to ask any questions. So let me just start the recording so you can ask your questions.